welcome back to another video. I am going to give you my exact thoughts on Bitcoin today. I am long and I'm going to tell you my targets. Is this the bottom basically, and why we bounce at that level? So before we go into the video, guys, I do have some links below. If you're interested in using Bybit, Weeks, all other brokers, it's the best way to support a small channel is to use my links, because I do get referral fees, kickbacks if you trade, and you also get some discount bonus on the trading fees. So guys, this is crazy. Bitcoin dumped all the way back to 59K on Thursday. So it was a very clear front run of levels. I was waiting for this low to get taken out, or maybe tapped even the value area low of this whole macro range. And the anchored VWAP from the bear market bottom. Look at that. We almost tapped it, and everyone front runs levels. So you could just DCA into key levels. You don't have to wait for it to get tapped perfectly, and then you just have to wait. Oh, we actually have a weekly level here. So this was a weekly level. I think also a monthly level open candle. Then you have a low right there. So this move was pretty nice. I think the weekly close will basically tell everything, because I feel like if we close the weekly above 70, then I think it's safe to say, as long as we're above this value area high, there's a chance that we could, the weekly candle could open up something like that next week, like even reclaim 80, because I feel like Bitcoin's probably gonna pump to 80K, tap this, and then come back down, right? Bear market. So that's what I'm hoping for my longs, long on Solana as well. So I actually tried to long as well here at the value area high and the macro POC, but I feel like these levels were also, everyone and their mothers are longing this, so we were probably just gonna slice through that level like butter and destroy everyone else, wreck everyone else, and then boom, come back, finally bounce from the real level. This is where a lot of retail traders get strapped. They short because they want to short the breakdown, which is not gonna happen, by the way, because the real short already happened here and here. So pretty sweet TGIF trade. We've been going down for a couple of weeks, including Nasdaq and ES. Also Nasdaq took out some pretty important levels below. So we took out this low, we took out this low. We've been going down for a couple of days, and it's Friday. Boom, all hit on the lower levels, got ran through. So, you get a massive squeeze, TGIF in play, and that's why we pumped. So right now for Solana, I am long, and the reason why I'm long, because we dipped all the way to 66 basically, and we took out all of the low resistance liquidity from this 3-month up only move. And I feel like Solana can reclaim even $100 before going lower, just like what happened here. We were going down, and after hitting $74, we went all the way back up to 143. So I'm not asking for 143. I feel like, this one like that is on this zone right now, and then we're basically right here waiting for this to happen. So, after a massive move down, wait for a retracement. So you long here, take profits here, maybe even here, 123, and then you short again, going back down to bear market. So that's what I am looking at for Solana. We also bounced from this monthly gap, by the way, and we finally cleared off unmitigated discounts. So I feel like it's time for a retracement, go back up, even 130, 35, maybe here. But I feel like we're not gonna tap this, because all of this liquidity we're taking out before going down. So I feel like we're only gonna tap here like 128 or 130, something like this. So I think that's what will happen for Solana. I could be wrong though, but I think local bottom might be in. Long your longs. Also, I feel like the weekly close is probably going to tell everything. Same with ETH. This weekly close will basically tell how we're going to trade for the rest of the month. All right, so Bitcoin, I feel like Bitcoin can even reach 80K. Yeah, somewhere like that. All right, so simple TA for you boys. Just a quick update. It's a weekend. I've taken some profits, some partials, but I do have some. I have one long left, I believe. Yeah, and I might take. I'm probably gonna take some profits soon. So I have one long left and I'll take profits soon. All right. So thank you boys for watching. See you guys on the next one. Pretty simple TA. We bounce from the value area low, monthly level, liquidity. You have anchored VWAP. TGIF in play. Stocks were, ripping, so took the long. So, see you guys on the next one. Bye bye.